Hey guys, my name is Rosie and I'm here to show you how to use the GloPRO Lip Microneedling Attachment Head. What I love about this tool is I can achieve fuller, plumper lips in the comfort of my own home. So no doctor's appointments, no filler, just the GloPRO. It's so easy to use. I just detach whatever current head is on my GloPRO and attach the lip head onto the tool. Super easy. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start rolling. It doesn't hurt at all. You're not gonna apply too much weight. The tool is going to do it for you. It's got these great bumpers that protect your gums and your teeth, so no need to worry. And I'm just going to do this for 30 to 60 seconds, horizontally, vertically, and diagonally. And that's it. So while my micro channels are opened, I'm going to apply the pout and sparkling rosé, which contain hyaluronic filling spheres, to absorb into my lip and give me that fuller, plumper pout. So what I love about this is I can wear it alone or as a volumizing base underneath my lipstick or just for a glossy finish on top. So I'm just gonna apply. It feels so good. You're going to instantly feel this tingling sensation, and that just means that it's working. So while the pout is working its magic, I'm going to go ahead and clean my lip attachment head for future use. I'm going to pick up my GloPRO sanitizing spritzer bottle, which comes in the original GloPRO. I filled it with alcohol and I'm going to spray and roll. Spray and roll. And that's it. Let air dry and ready to use for next time. Thanks for watching.